When I met this rider, I ain't need to see the next. She said I'm a poet riding like BMX, and she was hot as hell, so she made me sweat. Then I asked her, what we talking, bikes or sex? Then I leaned in and laid a kiss on the neck, and by her trying to catch her breath, I know her pussy wet. She looked at me and said, boy, we ain't got time for that. So I'm anxious now, I can't wait to see what's next. Sex appeal out this earth so she can get 'em up. And I want her to ride this fucker till she get enough. So she saddled up and hit me with the giddy up. And like my future, felt like my kids was coming up. But I braced myself, told her this is your turn. But I'ma beat it from the bottom. You'll learn. I'ma work that body out, you gon' feel the burn. Then melt like ice cream, double churn. I lift her up as I hit her like volleyballs. Then had her bouncing up and down like basketballs. Demolition Man, the way I crashed the walls. She got more spots than Twister, but I hit them all. Damn, I love the way she ride it. And she love the way I get inside it. Beating that pussy like me in the ring, get priding. Making her body explode like she worked for Bin Laden. Now she wanna marry a nigga, so like a good movie she plotting. I always hit jackpot when I drop my coin in her slotting. Smack that ass like a bad titan. Fuck bad, I mean rotten. Wrote my name on that ass, yeah I jotted. I don't rock the boat, I rock the yachting. Call me the plumber, cause I think she need a rotten. I hit all her targets like they already dotted. Then I put her to sleep, look how she nodding. Make her ride it backwards like the American Eagle. And if I come once, then it's time for the sequel. Evil, come and take a ride. Climb on top of me, dig you down so effortlessly. Your G-spot is my destiny. Okay, okay, go ahead and ride it. See if you can ride it. Let me get inside it.